Welcome to our exploration of Australia's ozone layer, a critical shield for life on Earth. Join us as we dive deep into the past, present, and future of this vital atmospheric layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. In the 1970s, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery about the ozone layer. They found that industrial chemicals known as chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, were wreaking havoc on the protective atmospheric layer. Among these scientists were experts from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or the NOAA. As these chemicals ascend to the stratosphere, they unleash chlorine and bromine, which systematically destroy ozone molecules. A significant concern was the alarming hole forming over Antarctica, threatening ecosystems and human health worldwide. Stratospheric ozone resides about 7 to 25 miles above the Earth, acting as a vital barrier against harmful ultraviolet radiation. This shield plays an essential role in preventing skin cancer, protecting our immune system, and supporting healthy ecosystems and agriculture. Without a stable ozone layer, life as we know it would be drastically different. In 1987, the link between CFCs and ozone depletion prompted an urgent response, the Montreal Protocol. This historic international treaty aimed to phase out the production and use of ozone-depleting substances, coming into effect in 1989, and ratified by all 198 United Nations member countries. It set ambitious deadlines for change. The Montreal Protocol is often hailed as one of the most successful examples of international cooperation, promoting research and development of ozone and safe alternatives. Thanks to this collective effort, the use of CFCs has plummeted, leading to stabilization and gradual recovery of our ozone layer. Today, we see the positive impact of the Montreal Protocol. Worldwide compliance continues to reduce emissions of ozone-depleting compounds. At this rate, we accept the ozone-depleting compounds. At this rate, we expect the ozone layer's recovery to continue over the next several decades. However, this process takes time as CFCs are long-lasting in the atmosphere. As we celebrate these achievements, it's crucial to remain vigilant. Scientists must continuously monitor our atmosphere for any new changes in the balance of gases, identifying whether they stem from natural occurrences or human activities. Eye on the atmosphere, scientists deploy instruments called ozone sondes. These devices help measure ozone levels and gather crucial data about our stratosphere. Let's take a look at a recent launch from Australia's Davis Research Station and witness the commitment to understanding our atmosphere in real time.
The GML also studies solar radiation, aerosols, water vapor, and ozone. In 1985, scientists discovered the ozone hole over Antarctica. Scientists figured out that the ozone hole was developing because of certain types of gases used in aerosol propellants and cooling devices, such as refrigerators. In 1987, these gases, called chlorofluorocarbons, were banned in a worldwide agreement called the Montreal Protocol. Researchers use an instrument called an ozone sonde to measure ozone in the atmosphere. Weather balloons with ozone sondes attached are launched near Boulder and from the 4 observatories to take ozone measurements. The balloons reach a height of about 100,000 feet before they pop and fall back to the ground with a parachute. Data is sent back to NOAA using a radio antenna. The Global Monitoring Laboratory's mission has always been to provide high-quality, long-term records of atmospheric composition to understand climate change better. You can learn more about this research at gml.noaa.gov.
The story of Australia's ozone layer is one of discovery, cooperation, and hope. By understanding the past and acting for the future, we can protect this vital shield that safeguards life on our planet. Together, we can ensure a healthier Earth for generations to come. Though Australia has seen some recovery from global warming with a regenerative ozone layer, we still have seen much damage done to Australia, making problems in agriculture, animal life, coral research at the Great Barrier Reef. Australia has seen Montreal Protocol, and we are seeing a change, but the ozone has taken much damage. We see skin cancer, such as melanoma, as frequently as 66% of all Australians will be diagnosed with a form of skin cancer. If we take into consideration out of Kimmer's text, where we practice Nanabohzo reciprocity and care for our environment, it's not that bad. Although many people will not have to impersonate Nanabohzo's ways, a care for our environment is mandatory and is debilitating if left unrecognized. Thank you for watching.